Good morning, students. This is Balram Kasnia, RA College of Engineering and IT, Department of Electrical Engineering. Subject is Electrical Measurement and Measuring Instruments, Unit 4. And today's topic is Measurement of Resistance. Classification of resistance. According to nature of supply, there are two types of resistance. Number one, according to nature of supply, one is DC resistance. According to Ohm's law, I directly proportional to V, and AC resistance. Skin effect and proximity effect. In skin effect, the cross section area of wire reduce, this implies effective resistance increase. In proximity effect, the several conductors are together. This implies the effective resistance is higher than that of it conductors were alone. According to nature of resistance, number one is low resistance, where R is less than 1 ohm, and medium resistance R vary between 1 and 0.1 mega ohm, and very high resistance R is greater than 0.1 mega ohm resistance. It's called high resistance. Measurement of resistance, there is a method of measuring resistance. Number one is a direct deflection method, number two is loss of charge method, number three is ohm meter, number three is Megger. In loss of charge method, unknown resistance is connected in parallel with capacitor and electrostatic voltmeter as shown in figure. This capacitor initially charged to some suitable voltage by means of the battery of voltage V, and then allowed to discharge through the resistance. The terminal voltage is observed during the discharge, and it is given by V equal to V exponential minus T upon CR, and R equal to 0.4343 T upon C log V upon small v. The variation of the voltage V with the time is shown in figure. Loss of the charge method plot. From above equation, it follows that V, small v, C and T are known, and the value of resistance R can be computed. If the resistance is very large, the time for the appreciable fall in voltage is very large. Thus, this process may become time consuming. Also, the voltage time curve will be very flat, and unless great care is taken in measuring the voltage at the beginning at the end of time t, a serious very error may be made in the ratio V upon small v, causing the considerable correspondence error in the measuring the value of R. And finally, we calculate R equal to 0.4343 T upon C log V upon V minus E. The loss of the charge method is applicable to some high resistance, but it is require a capacitor of very high leakage resistance as high resistance being measured. Second is ohm meter, direct reading of the device for measuring of resistance, low degree of accuracy, useful for the find out the proximity resistance of circuit components such as the heater elements, checking semiconductor diodes, checking continuity of the circuits, series type ohm meters and type ohm meters. Number one is series type ohm meter. It consists of basic directional movement meter connected in parallel with a shunting resistance R2. This parallel circuit is series with resistance R1 and battery of EMF E. The series circuit is connected to the terminal A and B of unknown resistor Rx. R1 equal to current limiting resistor, R2 zero adjusting resistor, E equal EMF of internal battery. Rm is internal resistance of the D as a wall movement. When the known resistance Rx equal to 0, thus the meter will read the infinite resistance at the zero current position and the zero resistance at full scale current position. Since zero resistance is indicated when the current in the meter is maximum, and hence the pointer goes to the 2 marks. Intermediate scale mark may be placed on the scale by different known value of the resistance Rx to the instrument. Third is Megger. This is a diagram of Megger. There is a permanent magnet, and is ground wire, earth magnets, are hand driven generator is there. Control coil, scale, deflecting coil, pointers, etc., etc. Construction of Megger, deflecting and control coil connected parallel to the generator mounted at right angle to each other and maintain the polarity in such way to produce torque in opposite direction. Permanent magnet produce a magnetic field to deflect pointer with north-south pole magnet. Pointers and a scale is provided in front top of the Megger from range 0 to infinity. DC generator or battery connections. Testing voltage is produced by the hand operated DC generator. For the manual operated Megger, battery and electronic voltage charges is provided. For automatic type of Megger for same purpose. Pressure coil resistance and current coil resistance. Protect the instrument from any damage because of low internal electrical resistance under test. Working voltage for testing produced by hand operated Megger by the rotating of crank. In case of hand operated type, battery is used for the electronic tester. 500 volt DC is sufficient. 500 volt DC is sufficient performing test on equipment range up to 440 volts. 1000 volt to 5000 volt is used for testing for high voltage electrical system. Deflecting coil and current connected in series and allow flowing to electric current taken by the circuit being tested. The control coil also as a pressure coil is connected across the circuit, and a current limiting resistor connected in series with control and deflecting coil to protect the damage in case of very low resistance in external circuit. As the voltage increase in external circuit, the deflection of the pointer increase and deflection of the pointer decrease with increase of the current. Hence, the resultant torque is directly proportional to the voltage and inversely proportional to the current. If there is a short circuit pointer shows 0, such means no resistance within circuit being tested. High resistance equal to no current shall be through deflecting coil. If the resistance very high, for example infinity position of the pointer, small resistance equal to high current. If circuit measures small resistance, allow a high electric current to pass through the deflecting coil. For example, produce torque make the pointer to set to 0. Next is a measurement of the low resistance. There are three methods of measuring low resistance: Kelvin bridge, Kelvin double bridge method, and voltmeter ammeter method. Construction of low resistance. Low resistance is the resistance whose value is less than 1 ohm. When these resistances are connected in the circuit used for measurements, connect resistance affect the measured value of low resistance. To avoid this, low resistances are connected with 4 terminals as shown in figure. The terminal is a C, P dash and C dash. Terminal marked as CC are known as a current terminal, and they carry current to and form the resistance. The other two terminal marked as PP known as a potential terminal, and the value of resistance is measured between the potential terminal P and P dash. This value is more accurate as it's independent of the contact resistance at the CC current terminals. And next and the last method is Kelvin's bridge. Kelvin bridge is a modified Wheatstone bridge and provides high accuracy, especially in the measurement of the low resistance. It is a portion of lead and connects where we must do modification. Because of this, there is an increment in net resistance, where C equal to unknown resistance in diagram, and D equal to standard resistance whose value is known, and A, B, C, D are the resistance, and these are small resistance as shown in figure. Let us mark the 2 points J and K. If the galvanometer is connected to J point, and resistance T is added to D, which results in too low value of C. Now we connect the galvanometer to K point, it would result in high value of unknown resistance C. Let us connect the galvanometer to point D, which is lying in between J and K, such that D divides T into ratio T and T2. Now from the above figure, it can be seen that T upon T2 equal to A upon B. Continued C plus T1 equal to A upon B is D plus T2. Also we have T1 upon T2 equal to A upon B. This put in equation, and finally we get it implies that C equal to A upon B into D. Thus, we can conclude that there is no effect of T, for example, resistance of the leads. Practically, it is impossible to have such situations. However, the above simple modification suggests that